Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are finally going to be doing the rear bumper, which is actually the last body panel that I have for my car. Here it is right here. And if you haven't seen my previous video of me actually taking off this bumper and trying to fit that one on, go check it out. I'll leave a link to it right here. I actually left off a lot of the bolts that are holding on the rear bumper, so I've been driving around with like 4 bolts holding it on. So it should be really easy taking this thing off. But first thing we're gonna do is take it off and put this one on and see what we have to do to adjust. I know there is that foam piece that goes back here for the cushion when you get an impact. So that's gonna have to be adjusted because I know it gets in the way of that thing. But there's a lot of work that needs to be done for this thing, but I'm excited to finally get it done. I wanna see what it all looks like with it all on, and I just wanna get this thing painted, man. I wanna get it wrapped up. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so we've been cutting into these corners, and this design by Duraflex is the dumbest thing they could have possibly done, because they stuffed so much material in these corners. You can't really, this side actually isn't even nearly as bad, but you can see how thick it is there. And in that part in the bumper, it sticks out. And as you can see on the regular bumper, it's completely cut out. So they're just idiots for putting that there. So also when we were cutting this, it started to make a huge crack down this. So I have no idea what I'm gonna do. If I get this painted, it's just gonna crack the paint. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. So I have to think about this. So I'll catch you guys back whenever I think of what to do. Hey, what's going on, guys? Just real quick in this video, I got something else for the Mustang. I'm just gonna go ahead and butt in. Where did I put it? Oh, I put it over here. So we got the grill delete. It's just the floating pony that's gonna go on the grill. And we're just gonna real quick put it in. It's literally 2 bolts. Just take that one out, put 2 bolts in, and put this one in. We're gonna see how it looks, and then yeah, we'll get back to the video. The reason why I have not been posting in a while, guys, because I've been super busy with work and school, and I also got these 2 toolboxes for a steel full of tools, and I've just been sorting them out. So I have not had like literally 0 time to work on the body kit, guys. Videos are still coming, don't worry. But yeah, so let's go ahead and put this in. Alright, guys, there she is. I'm gonna have to spray paint that bolt right there black, because that's just, also I have these 2 holes from this. What I'm gonna do with that is I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this up with some fiberglass, like a fiberglass kit or something. But man, oh man, that looks way better, 10 times better. Might have to spray paint. Oh, that already is black. It's just shiny. Okay. I thought this was silver right here, but it definitely looks good. I think I might take out that bolt right now and just spray paint it. So I'm gonna do that and then show you the final result. I'm super happy with the results, guys. I think that looks way better. Completely cleaned it up. But without further ado, let's just get back into the rear bumper.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
I think that this is a good idea? No, I do not. Am I gonna do it anyway?
Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown.
Alright guys, so I just got done cleaning up with the vacuum. Everything looks a lot better. Hopefully that was a little satisfying for you, but this is what we got going on here. It looks kind of cool with all those little marks right there. I'm not sure if I want to sand that out quite yet, make it smooth. It doesn't really matter. You're not going to see it at all or anything. Basically, I'm just cutting this out so it can actually fit onto the vehicle because there's a little metal part that comes right there. And it's been a while since I looked at it, so I don't even remember what the shape of it is exactly. I don't know if this is gonna fit, but this is just kind of like a rough estimate of cutting the stuff out. That took absolutely forever. That's all that we cut out. And some down there. It might not look like we cut out that much, but that took forever and my hand was cramping, dude. I am not used to sawing like that, so that took about an hour and a half just to cut this section. And I still got the other side to do, so this is a lot of work, guys. Please smash that like button. But I'm gonna be done for tonight, and I'll see you guys probably tomorrow where I will be doing the other side, so catch you then. Alright guys, so we went ahead and we did both sides. It's looking pretty good. Here is the side that I did tonight. I filed it down a little bit more from the... Hold on, let me focus it. It's pretty bright. Okay, it's not going to focus. But I filed it down a little more from when you guys saw it in the last time lapse. We still got the other side looking good. So anyways, that is gonna be it for tonight, guys. Gosh, guys, this is a lot of work, man. Please drop a like, guys. I know I've said that a lot, but this is a lot of work. And the worst part about it is that it's fiberglass. And if you guys have ever had fiberglass on you, you know how terrible it is. And this gets it all over your arms, your legs, your face. It's awful. Everything stings and if you move a certain way and it itches. So I'm gonna go take a shower, guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Alright guys, so I just got finished doing the editing for the video last night and realized how long it was, so I'm going to have to actually end the video here. If you made it this far, please go ahead and subscribe. Also, drop a like for your homeboy, and leave a comment for any suggestions. I like reading the comments, so it really helps us out. But if you guys want to see me put on that rear bumper, go ahead and stay tuned for the next video, and I'll catch you guys later. So peace.